Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 Mustang Coupe Premium in Kona Blue. With an ebony leather interior and seating for 4, this 2-door coupe has a 6-speed manual transmission and a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder rear-wheel drive engine, as well as an EcoBoost performance package with limited slip axle and a security package with active anti-theft system and wheel locking kit. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Off to the side there are your lighting controls and your dash lights, as well as a storage bin that can sit flush with the dash, and your power release trunk. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. This is a manual transmission and a push start, so foot on the clutch, key in the pocket, and press the start button. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through: gauge mode, trip/fuel, track apps, driver assist, settings, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there you have a couple of gauges, and below that is your touchscreen media display center. You can click over into audio, up into sources, for AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth stereo. You also have navigation, and if you click over into settings you can slide across for your vehicle and display settings. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Volume, tuner, and CD player. Dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Below that, hazard lights, traction control, steering feel, and drive mode. When you give these two a press, they'll be shown up above in the dash. For steering feel, normal, sport, comfort, and background again to normal. For drive mode, normal, sport plus, track, drag strip, snow/wet, and background again to normal. Below that is a storage bin with USB and 12-volt outlet. 6-speed manual transmission shifter, emergency brake, couple of cup holders, and just in there is also where you'll see your My Color. And then in your armrest there's a clip on both left and right hand sides. Simply press one of those. There's plenty of storage in there, as well as some lighting, USB, and 12-volt outlet. Off to the side, your locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and universal garage door opener. 19-inch wheels. Body color door handles with intelligent access, driver side capless easy fuel gas filler, blade deck lid spoiler. Just above that Mustang badge is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors, and you also have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so from the inside, or you can double click the button on your key fob and it will release for you. From there, simply walk up, put your hand just below that Mustang badge, and pull up. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just there you're seeing your extra carpeted mats. As well as on both left and right hand sides there are anchors to hold things down. When you're ready to close up that trunk, simply put your hand on the top there and pull down. It's now securely closed. You can lock it up and walk away, or head out on your latest adventure. This is a 2-door coupe, so I've already powered that front seat forward. You now have access into the rear seat with seating for 2 and a 50-50 split. When you're ready to access that cargo space, there's a pulley next to the seat there. Simply pull on that pulley to fold the seat down to enlarge the cargo space. Just there you're seeing your extra carpeted mats. Up above are anchors for baby seats. When you're ready to put that seat back up in its original position, simply take your hand underneath the seat there and push until the seat clicks in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. Off to the side there are 3-point seat belts and hooks. Behind the front seat, slim pocket, that clip to slide the seat forward, another hook, and a seat belt holder. LED sequential taillights, privacy glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.